Iba ka talaga, Muzo. Ba't ang ganda ng desk mo? Itabi ko muna to at meron tayong i-unbox. So kung ikaw yung tipong may maliit na space, ayaw mag-assemble, at naghahanap ng space saver na desk, sakto tong Muzo F5 foldable table para sa'yo. Wala ka nang gagawin dito. Pag-order at pagkatanggap mo, mag-unbox ka lang. And by opening the box, we can find the user manual on how we can assemble it. And ang ganda pa ng packaging niya. They made sure na yung four corners ay secure dahil sa napakakapal na protector na to. So maiwasan natin yung pagkayupi niya. Very easy to assemble. Lift lang natin yung wood and slide lang natin yung paa. I-align natin yung lock and then secure it. And then just do it for the both sides. And ayan, na-assemble na natin siya. Nasa 80 centimeters na rin yung haba nito. And if you are working or studying, okay na din to. You can place a lot of stuff on top of this table. The wood quality is textured naman and thick, and metal frame is durable but light. Kaya napakadaling dalhin saan mang part ng bahay nyo. Kaya nasa baba lang yan, and follow for more.